Yes. Hello everyone and welcome to you all in mathematics class. I hope you are all fine. Yes, and today we are going to study this topic profit and loss, and here we will see some more questions, some more word problems based on this concept profit and loss, and it is here second video for this week. Okay students, so now let's get started. You can see that what is the topic. The question is that first question is that on selling an exhaust fan for rupees 7350, a man gains 1 by 6 of its cost price. Try to understand the question. 1 by 6 of its cost price. So find the cost price of the fan. What you have to find? You have to find the cost price of the fan. Okay, so first you can assume that let the cost price of the fan, exhaust fan, is rupees X. That you can say it is rupees X. Then next you will say that gain equals to 1 by 6 of cost price. It is given here 1 by 6 of cost price, and cost price is rupees X. So gain is X by 6. So therefore you will say that gain equals to X by 6. Then you know this formula, we have discussed about it earlier also, that selling price equals to cost price plus gain, because actually the difference between, you are knowing that selling price minus cost price equals to gain. So when the cost price you will take on the other side of the equation, that means selling price equals to cost price plus gain, and the cost price here given is X and the gain is X by 6. So you will write that X plus X by 6 means, you will solve, then you will get 7X by 6. How you will get that? It is 6X plus, you will get like this, that is 6X plus X by 6, means it is 7X by 6 is the selling price of the exhaust fan, where X is the cost price of the fan. Then, but according to the question, if he has the selling price is 7350 and you have got the selling price is 7X by 6, and in question given the selling price is 7350, that means they are equal. You can equate them in the equation. So it is, you can write, since selling price is rupees 7350, then therefore 7X by 6 equals to 7350. Now this equation you can solve by the cross multiplication. You will write that X equals to 7350 into 6 by 7. This 7 will go on other side to divide. Now you will cut it easily, that you can cut 7 into 1 time is 7. Okay, now upside 7 into 1 times 7, and then 3 is not divisible, so you write that 0. Okay, then 5, so 3 and 5 35, so 7 into 5 times you can write 35. Now 1 0 is remaining, so that 0 you can write after that. So it is 1050. It is what you have got, 1050 into 6. So you can write that 1050 into 6. Oh, I have also cut here that 7 into 1 time and that 1050. So you can write 1050 into 6, means you will get that 6300. So 6300 is the CP that you have got. Okay, so on the question is asking this only, to find the cost price. So you will say that cost price of the fan is 6300. Okay, understood all? So now you will see next question, that you see the question nicely. Read the question first nicely. What is given here, first read it nicely everyone, those who are watching here. So you can see Mr. Mehta purchased a washing machine for rupees 20,000 and a television for rupees 30,000. Then on on the washing machine he lost 5%. Now you can see on washing machine he lost 5% and on the television he gained 8%. On television he gained 8%, on the washing machine he lost 5%. Then find his total gain or loss percent. His total gain or loss. It is gain or loss we are not knowing. But whatever it is, if gain then you can find the gain percent only. If it is loss then find the loss percent only. That also you have to find that it is gain or loss. Okay, so question is nice. How you will solve that? You see, first you may write that cost price of the washing machine is 20,000 given. No need to do anything. It is given that cost price of washing machine is 20,000. And it is also given that there is loss of 5% on washing machine. Loss of 5% on washing machine. So you can write that cost price of television. Also that first given things you can write that cost price of television is 30,000. Okay. Now you will write that. Now we are coming to this point that there is a loss of 5% on washing machine. There is a loss of 5% on the washing machine. Then you may write that selling price of washing machine. That is question. Now you have to find selling price, because if you know the loss percentage in selling a washing machine and the cost price also you are knowing, then you can find the selling price also. That formula you are knowing, that I have already explained. So you will write that 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price. Just learn this formula if you are forgetting then. So 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price. Okay. So you will get that loss percentage value only will put, only 5 you will write. 100 minus 5 means 95. So you 100 minus 5 minus, that is 95 by 100 into cost price, that you will get. So selling price again I have written, therefore selling price of washing machine is 100 minus 5% was the loss. So you will write that 5%, that means 5 only. Then 100 minus 5 is 95 by 100 into 20,000. So you will get that 19,000 is the selling price of washing machine. 19,000 is the selling price of washing machine. Then cost price of television. Now you come to cost price of television. Cost price of television is given 30,000. Okay. And here on the television there is gain of 8%, that you are knowing. He gained 8% on the television. He gained 8% on the television. And the cost price also you are knowing that 30,000. Then easily you can find the selling price using this formula, that selling price of television equals to 100 plus gain percent. Just learn this formula also, that 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. Anywhere you can use such types of formulas for finding the selling price in any other competitive examination also, if you are giving that. So 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price, you can write that. So it is, you will write that 100 plus 8 by 100, 100 plus 8 by 100 into 30,000. So you will write that 108 by 100 into 30,000. So these 2 0 you will cut first. Now what is remaining? 300 into 108. So 300 into 108 means 3 into 8, 24. You will get that 324, 00. That means 32,400 is the selling price of television. Cost price was 30,000 and the selling price is 32,400. That means here is a gain of 2,400. 32,400 means it is greater than 30,000 by 2,400. So there is gain on television is 2,400. Just for understanding that. So now you will write, because you need to find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction, on the television also and the washing machine also. Hope you are understanding this. So now you will write that total selling price of both is, you will write that 19,000 plus 32,400. 19,000 is the selling price of the washing machine you have got, because there it is 5% loss. 20,000 was the cost price. And the selling price of this television is 32,400. Then these two you will add, what you will get? 51,400 is the total selling price of both, means television and washing machine. Now you will write the total cost price of both. It is given in question that 20,000 is the cost price of washing machine and 30,000 is the cost price of television. So you will add that. Total cost price of both is 20,000 plus 30,000, means 50,000 is the total cost price. And just now you have got that total selling price is 51,400. Okay, 19,000 plus 32,400. You have got just 51,400 just in previous step. So you will write total gain, that means the gain on the whole transaction on both washing machine and television. What is the gain? That is total selling price minus the total cost price. So 15,400 minus 50,000. So you will subtract the total cost price from the total selling price, means 15,400 minus 50,000, it is 1,400. It is the total gain on both of the things. Okay, 1,400 is the total gain. Okay, now you have to find the gain percent. Okay, so many things you have to do in these questions. Now just now you have found only gain. This is not the answer. You have to find the gain percent. So you will write that gain percent equals to gain by cost price into 100. You have to find the gain percent on the whole transaction here. So gain by CP into 100, you know that gain, and the loss percentage, it is finding, we are finding based on cost price only. Both are depending on the cost price. So gain by cost price into 100 means for 1,400 by 50,000 into 100. So these two zero you will cut that. Now what is there? Now two more zero you can cut from here. So what is coming now? 14 by 5. 14 by 5 means 14 by 5%, you can write that then. Very easy. You can write 14 by 5% gain percent means 2.8% is the gain. Okay students, now this way you can solve now exercise 11a, question number 17 to 20 for your homework also based on these questions of profit and loss, word problems. So now this way, and also exercise 11b also, question number 1 to 4. Okay, and exercise 11a 17 to 20. So now thank you all of you, and do watch this video nicely for understanding all the things. Now thank you all of you and have a nice day.